subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from News Catch Up.
Hello, this is a coronavirus update. The COVID-19 tally saw a rise of over 2,000 cases in the last 24 hours, even as the government granted over relaxation for areas outside containment zones amid the extended nationwide lockdown. The total number of coronavirus cases reached 42,533, with as many as 1,373 fatalities, according to Health Ministry data. Out of total figures, 29,543 are active, while 11,706 have been discharged and one has migrated, the ministry added. Non-essential businesses and cab services resumed today, in zone bearing red, leading to an increase in traffic on roads. E-commerce websites also begin taking orders for non-essential items, but only for areas with less or nil COVID-19 cases. There has been a noticeable increase in road traffic as non-essential stores lifted shutters, including liquor shops. The easing of the lockdown measures came with its own set of challenges for police personnel as they struggle to manage the crowds outside liquor shops and in some areas in Delhi. They resorted to lathi charge to bring the situation under control. Congress President Sonia Gandhi said that the party's state Congress committed will bear the ticket expense of the train journey of migrant workers who are being sent back to their homes by various states. In a letter to party workers, the interim party chief said that the party will also take necessary steps in this regard. Quickly, the BJP announced that they would cover 85% of the expenses after the political fallout. The Russian new cases exceeded 10,000 for the first time. The confirmed total death toll in Britain climbed near that of Italy. The United States continue to see tens of thousands of new infections each day, with more than 1,400 additional deaths. China, which reported only 2 new cases, saw a surge in visitors to tourist spots newly opened, and nearly 17 million people visited Beijing parks as the first 2 days of the holiday, and Shanghai's main tourist spots welcome more than 1 million visitors, according to Chinese media. Many spots limited daily visitors to 30 of capacity. Stay indoors, stay safe. Keep listening to News Catch Up and subscribe for more.